Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mr. Manuel Vituru, Ambassador of the Kingdom of Spain to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letters of credence which His Majesty the King of Spain has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the Ambassador of the Kingdom of Spain to the Republic of Fiji. I have the honor to present also the letters of recall of my predecessors.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to accept your letters of credence from His Majesty the King, as well as the letters of recall of your predecessor. I trust that you will have the pleasure to do the duty of our country, given your time. Please convey to His Majesty the King, the government, as well as to the people of Spain, our very best wishes for continuing life. Good to have you, Excellency. Welcome to Fiji. These are a bit high.
Signing of the recent will be safe, please.
Here I can, no? Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Cuidado, no resbale.